Here it is at the 11th hour, trying to get yet more videos in just because we need to show Ryan the love that he deserves. But sometimes things don't go as planned, and we wind up with a tangled mess of LED lights. Oh my, just not happening the way I envisioned it. Oh. It's hell getting old. This is what a senior citizen advent calendar looks like. But if you persevere, we're going to try it again. So we've got the CAD software out, and we're changing the holes to slots, and we're going to wrap it around the outside instead of trying to pass the long LED string through the holes. So whenever we do that, hopefully it's going to be a much better experience. So these LED strings, they're about 4 to 5 meters long, and they're one color. I got them from China, and it's hell trying to sneak them through the little holes. But the idea is to have 3 golden rectangles, and when you pass them perpendicular to each other, it forms the basis of a D20 dice. So without further ado, here is the new version. Aww. So this one came out a lot nicer. It was easier to run the LEDs around through the slots. It's got that nice D20 shape, and it runs pretty smoothly off of the little phone charger. And not that those would charge a phone these days. But to be fair, I think it's kind of fun, and it's pretty easy to do with a pretty easy print. And those rectangles would turn out fine on a CNC or a laser. So happy holidays to all you CNC folks, and we hope that Ryan is feeling the love this season. Thanks a lot, and have a happy Christmas.